Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner app team. Today we are going to know important scheme Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund. This scheme is so much important for IBPS AFO, NABARD and other agriculture competitive examination. Now let's Launching year of the scheme is 2020. It comes under the nodal ministry of Ministry of Fishery, Ministry of Animal Husbandry and Ministry of Dairy. What is the aim of the scheme? To incentivize investment in the infrastructure of dairy and meat processing and value addition infrastructure and establishment of animal feed plant in the private sector. These 3 points are most important and mostly questions in the competitive examination. They will ask what is the launching year of the scheme, in which ministry schemes comes under, and what is the aim of the scheme. Now come to the about the scheme. The AHIDF has been set up as MSME and private companies need to promote it, motivated for the involvement in the processing of value addition infrastructure. The Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund would facilitate as much needed incentivization and investment in the establishment of such infrastructure of the dairy and meat processing and value addition infrastructure and establishment of animal feed plant in the private sector, approved by the cabinet in the exclusion of recently announced Atmanirbhar Abhiyan under stimulus package. Now let's understand. This scheme will bring the private players, means private infrastructure, private companies, small MSME in the sector of processing and value addition infrastructure of animal husbandry. And it was mainly approved under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan stimulus package. Now let's know who will be the beneficiary of this scheme. The eligible beneficiary under the scheme would be the farmer producer organization. Organizations of the farmer will be the first beneficiary under the scheme. MSME. MSME will be the small companies, medium companies and medium business with the MSME. Section 8 companies. What are the Section 8 companies? Non-profit organizations are also eligible for the beneficiaries. Private companies and individual entrepreneur. Private companies are also eligible, and individual entrepreneur who want to start their dairy or anything, who want to build the infrastructure of their animal, that is also eligible. The beneficiary intended to invest for the establishing dairy and meat processing and value addition infrastructure and strengthening the existing infrastructure can be applied for the loan in the scheduled bank through the Uday Mitra portal of SIDBI. Now let's understand this thing. Value addition means not only infrastructure for the animals, they can create some factory that can add the value addition in the animal products. They can also also modernize their existing infrastructure. This is the main thing. They can also modernize their existing infrastructure and they will get loan through the Uday Mitra portal of SIDBI. Now this is very much important. The total fund size, the government is providing the fund of 15,000 crore. This is very big fund for any scheme. Now come to the interest submission. Government of India will provide 3% interest submission for eligible beneficiary. Means those beneficiary who are eligible in this scheme, they have to only pay the interest of 3%. Now come to the moratorium period. Moratorium period. What is moratorium period? First know this. Moratorium period is the period during which borrower is not obligated to make payment. This is the period, means when borrower will not say to repay your payment. Okay, and the repayment option, moratorium period is of 2 years and the repayment option is provided for 6 years after moratorium period. This is written that 6 year the repayment period. This is very big time period they will get to submit their loan. Now come to the funding of the loan. The beneficiaries to be contribute minimum of 10% margin money as investment. The balance 90% would be the loan component to be made available by the scheduled bank. Now understand this. If you want the loan of 1 lakh rupees, you have to give at least 10,000 rupees. Means 10% of the total amount you want to take loan to the bank. Means you have to show at least 10% that you have to invest and remaining 90% was covered by the scheduled bank. This is the funding of this. scheme. After funding, the important thing comes in the loan is credit guarantee. From the credit guarantee fund, credit guarantee would be provided to those sanctioned projects which covered under MSME definite ceilings. Guaranteed coverage would be up to 25% facility to the borrowers. Thanks for viewing this video. You can download this PDF from AgriLearner app team WhatsApp group. You can join it on 6201733962. You can join us on Instagram and Telegram by searching AgriLearner app on Instagram and AgriLearner app on Telegram. Thank you so much. You will get this PDF on AgriLearner WhatsApp group, Instagram and Telegram.